Do you know what's one of the most stressful time for the IT and some of the professionals? It is the annual audits. All the banks would be preparing for it for many months. So would the different kinds of companies. Similar kind of audit needs to be conducted in the context of data security as well, and that is data protection impact assessment DPIA. According to the DPDPA, it has to be conducted at least once in a year. And what are you doing during this entire exercise? You are identifying the different risks. You are looking at the kind of data that you are collecting. How are you processing it? Are you sharing it with any of the vendors? How are they processing it? And for this, the people that you need are the business owner, you need the IT security person, you need somebody from the legal team, you have to have someone from the cybersecurity team. If you have a data protection officer or a DPO, you need that DPO to be a part of this as well. And not just this, whoever is looking at your vendor management should also be a part of this, because all the vendors who are storing this data on your behalf become your processors. And this processing and the bounds for this processing have to be defined in the contracts that you have with your vendors, which means your contracts need to be relooked at, even rewritten as well. One common question that we get is that, is the consent required only for the new clients or the new data? What about my existing data? Well, consent management is for everyone, which means including your existing clients and existing data. You would have to reach out to them and ask them for their consent and record it. Now, such a huge activity is almost a project on its own if you need the business owners, the security team, the legal team, the vendor management, all in a single room. So you have to put it on your audit schedule and communicate it to the management that this year the annual DPIA is going to happen in, let's say, April 2026. That way, everyone can plan for it. And that way, you will have a more predictable way of managing your data protection activities. It can also help you to plan your staffing during that month as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I would look forward to meet you again, and tomorrow we go deep into something called as DPO, Data Protection Officer. See you on day 9.